Good morning. What's happening? All right, Martin. Hey, first like, welcome. Secrets of the Unknown. Good morning. Nikos, good morning. All right, what a beautiful day. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. So, let's see what's happening. I was watching the charts a little bit. We have a new day opening gap. Do we have? Yeah, we have. We have a new day opening gap. Quite interesting. They're inside of this gap right now. Quite interesting, that's for sure. So at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard, price actually opened a little bit higher. I don't know how much is the distance here. 13 points, not that big a deal. So created this wick here. Bob, yay! What's up? What's up? Election day, yeah, let's go. Maverick, bad morning. Oh, I blew my funded account due to overconfidence. Oh, had 3 really good days and then blew it. Man, come on. Naomi, good morning. Good to see you, Naomi. Maverick, dude, you're better than that. You know it. It was. I'm 100% sure that it was emotions. It was only due to emotions. It was not because of your trading style. It was not because of your knowledge about the markets. It was not because of your strategy, whatever. It was only because emotions, I think, if I would say so. And I'm just saying this because you can control that and you can make it again. That's what I want to say to you. So Maverick, come on. Yannick, hey there. Hey Yannick. Yeah, you'll bounce back just like Naomi says. I just wanted to say this, like, I know that you're doing this since a while. I know you're an OG. Good morning, Yorga Tamash. It was due to feeling invincible. Oh yeah, exactly, dude. I exactly know how that feels like. When I was on a winning streak, sometimes much earlier in my trading career, quote unquote, I was having those days as well. I thought that, okay, now I'm Neo. I'm the one who sees the matrix. I see the code of the market. Nothing can happen. Nothing that goes against me. And obviously, the market then says, no, we're going to do something different now. Yeah, so it is what it is. Election day means giveaway. We could do that. We could do. I'm gonna join the Discord. I need a good community. Maverick, do you know my email? Send me an email. If you don't know it, it's in my about section up there on the channel. Tomsabo Biz with the Z at gmail.com. Shoot me an email. Alex, good morning. Hey, is it possible for you to give me some tips about when Harbill went wrong for my combine based on my stats? Well, I mean, yeah, we can check on it. obviously, I don't know your trading style. I don't know your risk management. I don't know your entry model. So without knowing those, I mean, obviously we can see your stats, but you know, if you have a trade history, at the end of the day, it's usually over trading and emotions. But yeah, sure. Hi guys. I mean, we can go over it. Alex, good to see you. Hey Bob. Oh yeah, Bob. I said Bob. Hi. Jalma, hey, good morning. Red, good to see you. No FTT payout. So I got the paid by date email for the 2nd of November, but nothing. Unfortunately, Emran. Unfortunately, it's sad. My Apex payout. Let me check it. All right, because this morning I haven't checked it. I have 2 payouts submitted. Let me click on it. It's still pending. It's still pending. These 2, $4,000. My recent payout, requested it on the 1st of November. $4,000 is still pending. So not too many payouts from Apex recently, but I must say that most of my payouts, so I took out something like this from Bulenox and Apex. So I'm glad about these. And look at the first payout was in August, September 2 payouts, October 1 payout, and these 2 payouts in November. I'm hoping I can get at least 1 more payout in November from Apex, or 2. But so far, I'm not approved yet. It has been a minute since I popped by. Oh, I've been okay. Good to see you on the stream. Welcome. How have you been? Yeah, just send me a mail, Maverick. I'll take care of you. All right. You're an OG, man. Dario. Let's see if London has any good movement. Yeah. I'm not sure if I want to push the funded accounts at all today, by the way, especially in the New York session, but maybe London can give us something. But you guys know me. I don't like to trade funded accounts in London nowadays, especially on a day like this, but we'll see. Results are most likely going to happen in about 24 hours. So they have to wait, I think, but correct me if I'm wrong, if some of you guys from US. I think they have to wait so until the West Coast, California or whatever, you know, I'm not an expert, until the you know, voting machines or ballots or whatever it's called, I don't know. So everything is closing down, which is going to be, I think, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. in the evening. I'm not even sure. So the East Coast cannot, I think, I'm not sure, but the East Coast cannot start counting the votes until the West Coast is not finished. So that means we have to go with California time, I think. And which means that the results, the earliest results, should be coming in about 20 hours or something. 24 hours, I think. But this is just a tip. I don't know if some of you guys from there, you can actually have a better information. But I think they have to wait for all of the states to reach the time, you know. Oh, really? You did? Let me check it, Maverick. Just a second, I'll be with you guys. Oh, you did? Okay, Maverick. Maverick. Okay, I see it. I see it, Maverick. Let me take care of this for you. Just a second, Maverick. I have to make this to because it should be automated, then I don't want you to get unnecessary. Anyway, I received it. Tony Chan, hello. I sent the email should have been sent by the automatic system. Actually, I put it in a reply email, so you should be having it if it not works. All right. Yeah, MyFundedFutures is definitely one of the fastest, and take ProfiTrader, by the way. Take ProfiTrader and so take ProfiTrader and MyFundedFutures. Traded London before NFP and the sleep that I will never get. yeah, Fresh Delgado. I've been good streaming and trading now. Oh, that is awesome. It's fun but hectic. Yeah, now editing, filming, and doing a bunch of stuff. Did you see my... No, I didn't see that. I'm gonna check it out. Hold on, let me log into YouTube anyway. So look at that, we're going higher. We are going higher. I wonder how high. Ba-da-dum, bum, ba-da-dum. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Ba-da-da-dum. Da-da-dum, dum-dum. Da-dum, da-dum. Nice. All right. Yeah, Asia High definitely got taken out already. So it's already out. Most East Coast days will close around 2-3 a.m. GMT day. Soon as polls are closed, West Coast will count 3 hours after once. Oh, there you go. Most likely, if election is closed, result won't be in for maybe multiple days. Oh, okay. Counting could get delayed. Recounting. Oh yeah, so yeah, there you go. Now this one proves that we might gonna have to wait maybe even days, not just 24 hours, like days, maybe by the end of the week or next week to have anything. Yeah, London starts in about 46 minutes. Whoa. Oh my god, look at this man. Jeez. Election day giveaway from Tomasz. Look at that guy. Thank you so much, man. Thank you.
Election day giveaway, Trump for the crown. Enjoy the giveaway, guys.
Thank you so much, man. Okay, we're gonna have a giveaway. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, shouldn't have. Let's go. So Tomasz is sponsoring a giveaway. Let's do this. You know, election day giveaway. As usual. Let's go. Let me just get into this. Let me update this. Just a second, I'm setting it up. Okay. Let me set this. Okay, how do I? Okay. I have to set this up properly. Save. All right. Giveaway started. Exclamation mark cash. A+ trader, man, what's going on? What is going on? Good to see you. You're in? All right. Oh, you're in. Maverick, welcome. Welcome to the Discord, man. Let me give you my welcoming gift. Welcome aboard. Good to have you there. All right, so $50 cash giveaway. By the courtesy of Tomasz here. Marco, good morning. I'm sorry if I missed anybody. Ruse, hey there. Oh yeah, you asked London. Yeah, London is about to start in 42 minutes. Blah, 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 blah. If I missed anyone to say hello, I'm sorry. Thank you again. Big D Johnson. I forgot to say hi. Hello, Big D Johnson. Good to see you on the stream. Mike Donovan, hey there. Points Hunter is here. J-Ho, Sharpnell, good to see you guys lurking in the background, eh? Hey, everybody. All right. Chris, hey there. And hello to everybody who just joined. So we took out these highs. And I just wonder how far or how high could we go? The thing is that this price range, so for example, this is the 15-minute from yesterday New York AM session. This 15-minute fair value gap has been repriced during the PM session. So this is an efficient price area. If I pull a fair value gap here, then, you know, the midpoint, the mid-level of that fair value gap on the 15-minute chart from yesterday is right here, right now. So let's see if we get some sort of a reversal or reaction on that gap. As usual, points Hunter. All right. All right. So yeah. New week opening gap is the magnet. It could be. I totally forgot where is the. I didn't put it there. Let's see, where is the new week opening gap? It's from Sunday. Here it is. It's not gonna be accurate, so I have to go down to the 1 minute to new week opening gap. All right, so this will be the new week opening gap. Let me find it on the 1 minute to have a proper level here. You see, this is the thing. Like this one actually ended up here. The final minute closed here, so that's more accurate this way. So 141 to 169 ish area. So new week opening gap, bouncing right off from it, and right at the middle of that 15-minute CB. So Isham, good morning. Good to see you, Isham. Enter the giveaway by Tom Hash. Yeah. Which are layering, yes, yes. Pump till the order block and then dump for Asia low. Yeah, let's check for order blocks. Kuko, good morning. Holy Grail, good morning. And hello everybody else. Where is the order block? Help me find it. Where is the order block? There is one order block here at 185. Actually, it starts at 185. So 15-minute order block, in my personal opinion, at 185. But I don't see anything else. Only a 15-minute order block at 185. Maybe I missed something else. This is not an order block. This is not an order block. This is not an order block. At least is what I think. It's not an order block. Yeah, up there, 185 would be order block. Also on the 5-minute chart too. 5-minute / 15-minute order block. 5/15-minute bearish order block. And let's put it to the top. But now it's shifting lower. Breaking structure here right now. We move lower here. Okay. Trust me, strategy has 80% win rate. We move lower. I don't have your link because only mods can put on links, Venom. So I think you posted a link, but I don't see it. So maybe you see the link, but we don't see it. So nobody sees the link, only you. But what I can do, Venom, is I can give you a... I can... Where are you? Venom, you can post links now, or I don't know. Did you post anything? I thought you posted something. Oh, in DM. Okay. All right. Okay. All right then. Let me check it. Oh yeah, sorry. I have so many things going on. Yeah, I see. Yeah. My Discord notifications are usually turned off. We are going to 144. Let's see. So we shifted down. Obviously, there is a structure shift here. And still going lower. What the hell is wrong with my computer? Hey Gabriel, welcome. Yeah, there's a giveaway D44. Hey there. I'm just watching this. If it goes lower. They're going low under the current 4-hour. Let's see. There was a continuation in this drop down there. If I put a fib tool here, I'd say we have an optimal trade entry somewhere at 127 if it goes up there. I might enter on the drop, not sure, at 27.50. Let me check it. I put a sell limit order at 27.50. So sell limit at 27.50. If it goes up there and fills this small gap, I'll try to get in. But if it continues to drop, then obviously it is what it is. Yeah, it continues to drop. All right, never mind. Yeah, I'm deleting my order. Yeah, never mind. We're dropping. I think you guys are short from somewhere here. The highest tick from up there. Yeah, we have Fed rate cut decision. Asia lowest target could be. I mean, we have some good levels down there. So, and look at how price immediately got to be bullish after midnight. So the daily candle is extremely bullish for now, but currently we are sitting in this 5-minute fair value gap right here. So just look at that. How this 5-minute BC is actually holding. Technically rejecting price nicely here. So watching for displacement again as a possible continuation. Sorry if I missed anyone's chat here. Gabriel, just thinking with election, it's kind of like big fat day sideways until decision. Yeah, something like that. And it could happen all week, you know. We just talked about it. The results could be, you know, maybe only next week there's going to be results. So now it's Wednesday, Tuesday. Maybe the election results are only going to be in like next week. Or maybe even more time, who knows. Uncle Hitchman says going long, or Hickman. Free long here. All right. So definitely a nice rejection on this 5 minutes TB. I'm not in a position. I'm flat. I don't have a limit order. Asia low is target. I'm not too sure what target set. Asia lows could be a good target. I would say we have these lows here at the 100-ish area. This would be a good target if it starts to sell off. I'm looking at the 5 minute. There's nothing there. You know, if this one is a sell off, then the optimal trade entry is right now from this swing on the 1 minute. And so if it goes down, yeah, so if it goes down, I would say that that's a strong chance that it should be sweeping liquidity down here if it goes down. That's a big if. I took a short, by the way, very bad entry. I tried to get in at the 50% OTE level. I missed my entry with like 3 points again. Okay, so right now this gap is holding, but you know, the sell-off could continue. My short is, I don't even know where it is. It's not there. It's not here. Here's my short. Not the best risk to reward ratio, but only with 3 micros. For the president, yeah. Oh, if I would be president, oh, there would be some crazy new rules and laws coming in. Remember when US election was in the same time with Brit and Trump? Oh yeah, I know. I remember. Risk to reward is most time BS. Yeah, could be. I mean, so far I'll try to adopt for a positive risk to reward, but yeah. Pretty long here with 10 point stop at the current 4 hour. Vice President preference the 1 day payouts. Yeah, I would put it in law like every prop firm must do 1 day payouts. Textbook head and shoulders. We'll see. I think I'm gonna get taken out from here. There's a swing high at this point. My entry should have been up here somewhere around 27-ish area. So yeah, Brexit. Yeah, the Brexit was. Yeah, let's close the giveaway. I agree. Let's close the giveaway. All right. I hope the winner has PayPal. Okay. 10 seconds. I'm closing the giveaway. 8, 9, 7, 10, 5. Anyway, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.5, 1.1. If anyone. One more here. One more fifth. 7, 9, 8, 0.9. 0.5. Everybody gets 1 ticket. Do it. Okay, closing it. All right, closed it. This giveaway has been sponsored by a person who traded and made over $100,000 in Monopoly money. No, in real money. In 1 day on a Top Step Live account. An excellent trader who is sponsoring the giveaway is no other than Tomasz. And the winner is someone who is one of the best traders, who knows Michael Huddleston in person, who's in very close connection with the best prop firms out there, who is here every day, a legend. The winner of the $50 cash giveaway is no other than Trader to Be. Congratulations for the $50 cash giveaway sponsored by Tomasz. Hope you're here. Yes, you're here. All right, Trader to Be, congratulations for the win. $50 cash giveaway. Awesome, awesome. Let me put in my email. Where is the chat? I have to find the chat somewhere. So here's my email. If you can send me your PayPal address, I'm gonna get this rolling immediately to you. Congrats again. And obviously, no other one. No, it's fine. It's fine. 1 giveaway for 1 day. Make payouts great again. That's what we're doing. Make payouts great again. All right. So, Scar missed the giveaway. No. So, I'm still sitting in this position. I don't know why, but I'm still in this. What is unbelievable? Unbelievable this guy is.
Election day, my heart is kind. See, PLS, don't make me poor.
All right. Well, this guy is on, I don't know, is on something. So the giveaway is going to resume. So Trader to be has already won one, but we can just resume the entries. So if you have a ticket already, you don't have to push !cash again because it's the same giveaway. We're gonna have one more winner, and we are gonna give, let's just say, 2 more minutes or 3 minutes. Okay, I resumed the entries. If you haven't received the ticket, Mr. Pipster received 1 ticket already. So if you haven't received the ticket, now you have about 2 or 3 minutes to participate in this giveaway, sponsored by Tomasz again. So Trader to be is obviously he cannot win more. So at this one, but if you haven't got a ticket, then you have 2 more minutes to join. We're gonna pick the winner very fast. Judith, welcome. Good morning. Good to see you. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this. We're still hovering in this. 5-minute BC. Dominic entered the giveaway. Tomasz is just sponsoring the second giveaway this morning. There you go! ! Cash. I'm gonna keep it open for another minute or so, okay? Because we already have 72 participants. If I win, keep it. No, I'm not keeping it. No way. I'm not. I'm definitely not keeping it. It has been sponsored, so I'm not gonna keep it anyways. So send me the email. All right. Nice. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's not your first win. I see your email. All right. Trader to be has actually rigged the system. All right, let me get this. Let me get this to you. All right. Nice. I think it's done. I think it's done. Bum, 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 bum. Idiots. Tony Chan has never, it didn't win before. So, all right. We're going to close down the entries in 5 seconds. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2. Cedric, enter the giveaway! ! Cash. There you go. I was starting to worry. Cedric, there you go. You have your ticket, Cedric. All right. So, closing it. Marzi, come on. Getting. All right. So, closing in 5, 4, 3, 2. You're going to win. All right. Closing the entries. All right. And starting it. The next winner is a very special person. Obviously, one of the best traders out there. He or she keeps this in a secret. And obviously, he knows the markets. He actually or she created the algorithm. Has direct connections to the market makers. And never tells us what's gonna happen, obviously. The best of the best. Obviously, the second best next trader to be. But the winner of the second giveaway sponsored by Tomasz here is gonna be no other than the one and only Jack of all trades. Congratulations for the $50 cash giveaway. Jack of all trades. What a name. I like that. GG's. Jack of all trades. Make yourself known. And obviously the rules are you should make yourself known if you're still here. You know, maybe, you know, we have to wait because maybe he or she left from the previous one. So obviously the rule is that if the winner is not going to reply within like 4 or 5 minutes, we're going to re-roll the price. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for Jack to reply. If not, we're just gonna re-roll. All right. Apex is planning to add instant funding. Really? Somebody was saying it, but I haven't really went onto the details or anything because it was just mentioned somewhere. I don't know where. So best of the best. I'm just saying it because, you know, you guys are the best of the best. He can't reply. Let's see. He didn't reply yet. So if he's not going to reply in about less than 3 minutes, I'm going to reroll before we're gonna pick a winner in a few minutes. London Open is here, very close. Oh, Tomasz is loyal. Thank you for being loyal and thank you for helping out the community. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Anyway, Jack of all trades is not replying. Gonna give him 1 minute and 40 seconds. He's a good dude. Yeah, so we're gonna re-roll. What just happened? Okay. My OBS just went crazy. All right. Daryl said it on an interview a few days ago. It's on YouTube. Oh, I think I have that interview. I just didn't watch it. Is this interview exclusive? It's on Trade Cage. I have an interview here. I think it's this one, right? This is the interview. I haven't watched it. Apex CEO is talking about some new stuff. Apex 3.0 and beyond. I haven't watched this. It's a 55-minute interview. If you guys are interested in the interview, I can actually paste it in the chat. Here's the interview. And you can watch it later. I haven't watched it yet. Yeah, it's a new interview. So it looks like my trade is going to the dumpster. It is what it is. And I think Jack of all trades is here. You won the giveaway. Do you have PayPal? I hope you do. Jack of all trades. All right. You won the giveaway. Fell asleep. All right. Here's my email. If you could please, anytime, it doesn't have to be now, but you know, if you're sleepy, just go back to bed. Here's my email. Just copy that. And just, if you have a PayPal, I would appreciate that. And I will send over the $50 to your PayPal, you know, whenever you send your email. All right. Congratulations again. It's sponsored by Tomasz. You're the winner. So anytime, take your time. We're not in a rush. If you can make a screenshot of the stream or chat or your account where I can see your name, it would be great. But we're gonna sort it out. If you don't have time now, you can send it later, whatever. And again, congratulations. All right. What a day. I think there's going to be some uncertainty in the markets for sure. And I'm going to get taken out from this trade. For sure. Yeah. Just closing it. Dun, 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 dun. So I closed it. I thought we're gonna drop lower, but obviously I was mistaken. Maybe it wants to go all the way back up and maybe make a new high or whatever. Yeah, sure, Jack, no problem. Take your time, have a good sleep. Apex obviously not going to pay 7K in one payment, but they paid out some big payouts recently, especially that 1.8 million to that guy. If you ask me, I know you guys gonna hate me for it, but I can take the heat. But I have no issue with Apex. Even if they would deny my payout, obviously that would be because of some risk management reason, which I might have done wrong or something. I would still trade with them. We have the London Open, by the way. So let's see what's gonna happen. going lower. Swap some levels here. And it's still going. Okay, swap the low here. Monday high looks juicy. Could be. Yeah, the market is most likely a little bit more unpredictable. Although the election has not started yet. And still throughout the day, you know, nothing special should be happening. They would have that spin. Singularity, hey there. You already experienced trading futures? No. Never traded futures during the election. So obviously I'm just trading evaluation accounts today. I have no idea how this can affect the markets. But I might trade a few evaluations. Actually, I actually want to buy take profit trader accounts. I'm already working on take profit trader, but I want to buy some more accounts with them. And with MyFundedFutures, I have to step on it because I need to get the funded account. First time? All right. Just wait for that big drop and then the pop. So far, it seems like that, you know, it might want to go lower here. Look at this. Huh, interesting. Should I try out to... Should I try to go... I put a sell order, sell limit at 122. 122. If it would go back to reprice that small tiny fair value gap, it right there, to see it drop right here. And yeah, my limit order is okay. I got filled on this one. All right, here's my trade. All right, here it is. I must say it was a good fill for now, if it's not gonna reverse. And I just like to, actually, I'm gonna put my TP right there in the middle of that imbalance. we talked about this level earlier, that if it drops, it should be taking out this area. So just gonna wait for that. It's a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade, so I'm gonna hold it for now. If it starts to go sideways, oh, I don't know. We'll see. At least we have a volume imbalance and a very, very, very tiny liquidity void, maybe for 1 tick. And it's actually around 1 to 2. Actually, I'm gonna get this lower to 32. Whoa! Anil Gurka. Or Gurcha. I don't know how you pronounce it, but sorry if I butchered the name. Thank you so much for joining the stream and the channel. Thank you for the subscription. Welcome. Welcome to the family. Feel free to join the chat. And yeah, thanks for being here. So obviously we had a market structure shift, displacement, we had a fair value gap, and we have some, well, not the perfect one, but relative equal lows down there. So should be okay, I hope. So let's hope for the best, you know. Obviously, it can go further down, but I'm okay with the 1 to 2 risk to reward. I'm okay. I'm perfectly okay with it. Look at this. What a dirty move. I thought that this is just gonna reach down for it just like that. No way, man. No way. Don't use any more Rhythmic. They migrate accounts. MyFundedFutures permanently stopped with Rhythmic, but I don't mind because I'm using Quantower. Quantower can connect to DX feed and Rhythmic, and so I can still connect with these prop firms at the same time. So yeah, so they stopped with Rhythmic. Look at this. What the hell is going on here? What a dirty move. What is happening here? I have to check the 5-minute. Reprice this gap here. Let me put this out of the way. Actually, I'm gonna leave that for now. Look at this 5-minute fair value gap. This is causing the trouble. By the way, that's still a bullish order block down there, but look at that. It's messing up my whole idea. Look at this. Yeah. Dude, I don't like that. Seems like I can't copy trade them anymore with ETP. Oh, that's the new thing, but you can copy trade with Quantower. But no, I don't get approved that. I'm still pending. I just checked it on the stream earlier. I'm still pending. But in August or September, I was pending for 14 days. So I'm not surprised. So I'm expecting that it should be hopefully okay by next week sometime. Next week, Wednesday, Thursday, should be all right. Yeah, by the 14th or 15th, it should be approved. So well, I don't know if maybe it's because they are changing, to their new system that they announced, the 8-day minimum payouts, and they actually said it's going to be fast approvals after using the new system. I haven't watched the new video yet. There's an hour-long video I just discovered yesterday. I haven't watched it yet, but with the CEO. But I'm gonna check it later. Yeah, but whatever has Apex done, they paid out people. And Dominic here, by the way, in the chat, Dominic has been put on probation as well, and he was continuing to trade with corrected risk management, and on the next payout he got paid out. So eventually he got paid out, and he was also anyway, no, he was just continuing to trade, and he got paid. Instant funding, I heard about that yesterday, but I have nothing to say about that because I haven't looked into it. There's a new interview. I don't know if they're talking about it in there, but if they do go with instant funding, that's going to be an interesting situation. Nobody else in the whole industry paying as fast. Go in your regular 9 to 5 Apex space. They do what they can. Believe them and stay calm. Yeah, and so far, I mean, I'm not saying I'm a huge Apex defender or fan, because Apex is not my favorite. But all I can say is that I got most of my payouts with Apex, and so far, at least they pay out people. And at least, even if there's some issue, there's a deadline that they always pay out people. And if they don't, there is a reason behind that, obviously. Anyway, I got too many heat about Apex in the past couple of months, so. Yes, I can. I can buy new evals. Yes. I will be voting today. Well, I would vote maybe. I don't know, but I don't know how, because I'm not a U.S. citizen. Like the chain for me is that. Yeah, I understand, Cedric. Everybody has the same issue, with Apex. So I know how it is. What the hell is going on with my trade here? You gotta be kidding me. There's a volume imbalance down there. Oh man, I hate this. Close manually. F it. I closed it manually. But there is a volume imbalance at 0175. It should go down anyway. I closed it manually. If If Apex does instant funding, it will probably be expensive. Well, you know, the thing is with instant funded accounts, the price is always going to be higher. That's it. You can go check out all the prop firms. Definitely, they have to ask for a bigger price because they have the numbers, they have the recipe. They obviously have to run the business. So they do come up with a number that will represent of how much money on average a trader spends on evaluations and activation fees. yeah, Dominic. Yeah, now shooting up there. Interesting though, because I think it can still go down. If you go down here to the left, I'll zoom this out for you. This candle, the 128 and the 129 Eastern Standard Time. Look at this. 101.50 and 75. So here, if I put it there, this is this tiny area. This tiny area here is a liquidity void. I know it's not much, but it's a liquidity void. But not just because of that. If we measure the distance from the body of the candle up until here, then the other candle, I will understand. So this upper area here is an unbalanced price range. So not just that we have a liquidity void down there, but we have an unbalanced price range as well. So I'm just going to extend this as much as I can. There you go. So as you see, oh my God, price actually did not go down into the liquidity void. It shot right back up there, and I think it wants to go into that gap. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. I think now it has to go into the 22s. Some traders got letter for probation to go live and no more evals. Yeah, but the letter of probation, those traders were continuing to trade, and after that they got to buy more evals. Some of them said that, at least 2 of them I've spoken to. Dominic has got the probation letter as well, and he managed to trade through that period. What a bounce. Look at that. You know, if it continues down, then it should take the 101.75. So about 10 points. Nothing serious, but and it also created another liquidity void now, so quite interesting. Another one. Yeah, Dominic. Yeah, exactly. It did reach that gap on the NQ, but not MNQ. Yeah, so I forgot to say that, Frank, and you're absolutely right. So if the mini is reaching that gap, sometimes if more heavy orders are there, obviously with the mini there could be more orders. It could spike it up or bounce from there. So I forgot to say that. Let's check on the mini. But now Frank confirmed that the mini actually went down there. So yeah. Also interesting. Look at this. Went down, repriced the liquidity void. Question is it gonna go down now and you know, rebalance? Rebalancing means a down close candle. Is it going to rebalance the gap or at least poke into the 101.75, or first it will rebalance this gap here? Whatever it does, I think it's gonna be a little bit of a sideways movement. So dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, rebalanced it. So now it just got rebalanced. Look at the 5 minute. No, not with the mouse. I have my chopsticks here. Yeah, the 5 minute looks interesting though. Actually went into that gap, so it could now continue the sell, rebalancing that, so should go down to 101.75. Vet Milled, hey, thanks for the code. You're welcome, I guess. If you're using a discount code, then I should be the one who's thanking you for using my code. Thank you, man. Yeah. I left this one here after ordering sushi the other week. I have my stress ball too somewhere. I have a stress ball. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. Oh no, it's going back again. What a range. From Italy to Slovakia by car. That's a nice trip, man. That's cool, actually. That is awesome. I would go for a road trip like that. 90% discount. No, the 90% is off, unfortunately. Least estimator. They went back to 83%. So it's 83% right now with Bulenox everywhere. It's everywhere 83%. I have no information if or when do they come back with the 90. I mean, 83% is not such a bad price at all. ProfiTrade also at 80% on the evaluations. Apex is at 80%. So, but Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures does not have activation fee. So, it's a good thing. Oh, really? 90% means selling at a loss. Well, you know, they're making the money on the activation fees, obviously. That's the big money for these prop firms. I mean, the cheap upfront cost prop firms usually having some sort of an activation fee. And just imagine, like I did the same too. When there was a 90% sale, I bought like 5 evaluations. And you know, prop firms know that you're going to throw in the money just like that for 90%. And you're also going to make it at least to a funded account, and you're going to pay your activation fee. So that's where their real money is, at the activation fee. So that's the much better business for them. And I don't know. I think they have some sort of access for, you know, they have like, as the prop firm as a whole has a bulk license, and they can just, you know, mimic or copy, you know, the data for a certain number of evaluation accounts. Obviously, it has to be thousands or hundreds of thousands of instances to create, because these are demo accounts, so basically only requires one data feed. Activations and 9% are not enough. I'm definitely sure that they have some sort of a data agreement as a whole, like a bulk agreement or something. Apex is for everyone because they had the money and huge user. Well, yeah, but maybe Apex now is able to make it right with their new rules. Hopefully. Good morning, MB Trader. Is Elite Trader Funding a good prop firm? Well, so far I'm working on the evaluation account with them, so still a work in progress. I heard good things about them, but I also heard that there were instances that they denied payout. Just yesterday, someone from Discord told me that he got denied from Elite Trader Funding because they detected that he's using a VPN server, and he said that he's not using a VPN server, but Elite Trader Funding said that he did, and they denied the payout and banned him. Interesting. But the same situation happened with TopStep, MyFundedFutures, but it was the first time I heard it from Elite Traders Funding. Plus costs, never knowing if you're going to get paid based on crazy as rules. Yeah, Dan, I understand. Yeah. Understandable, Dan. I know what you mean. Man, my OBS is somehow my OBS is freezing down. I don't know why. That's an issue. I don't know if they denied millions of dollars or the exact numbers. Fast Track Trading denied $10 million. That's for sure. Something is wrong with my OBS chat. I have to go to YouTube. For me now, unlimited. Often promo warning with prop firms. Ah, I see. No problem. Look at this. Look at this go. Wow. What a move. I couldn't even enter because I was thinking that this is gonna drop lower. And now I'm just not sure. It might gonna go back up to the new week opening gap. Yeah, I don't know. I'm using my phone as my main internet provider connects. Well, there you go. Apex did. Okay. Hey, Camille. Vote for Clinton. They can say anything to deny payment. They are protected by law. Well, you know, the thing is, when you apply with a prop firm, it can be any prop firm. You can come up with any name, Apex, Top Step, whichever prop firm you want. When you apply for an evaluation account or funded account agreement, when you fill it out, somewhere in the fine print, it's there. Nobody reads it. Is there that they can do anything they want. They can deny a payout anytime. You know, if they decide not to pay you out, there's nothing you can do. You agree, even on your funded account agreement, that you can do nothing if they decide that you're not going to get paid out. They are protected by the agreement that you sign online, and there's nothing you can do. Nothing. I saw a lot of people on Discord and Twitter like, oh, lawsuit is going to go for them and they're going to be, and I'm not, you can talk about any prop firm. Oh, there's going to be a lawsuit. No, the lawsuit is not going to happen, because on the agreement you agreed every prop firm can deny a payout without explaining. They don't even have to explain why they denied your payout. They can do whatever they want because this is just simulated money. It's not real. They can deny with any reason. They don't even have to explain. So nothing that the law can do about this. Not for now. Yeah, let's not go there. Zach, good morning, Zach T. Yeah, that's why regulation will be good. Exactly. Hey, Pips Hunter, what's the activation fee for 300k account with Apex? Well, for now, there's still an $85 lifetime activation discount. So it's still on. I don't know for how long, because is there a timer on the website right now? Let me check it. It's still $85 lifetime during the current promo. There's no timer. So I don't know for how long, but as for now, it's still active, $85. At least last month, somebody told me they activated the 250 or 200 something account with $85 lifetime. Yeah. You mentioned earlier you were going to add take profit trader accounts. What size? I'm gonna go with 50K, and I might gonna go with the 150K too. So yeah, I understand. Marco, I know it's the 50K obviously because of the daily loss limit. But the thing is, you know, I'm thinking about the 150K because I might have a bigger, you know, bigger room to trade with. Obviously, I have to work more to reach the profit, but I'm still gonna stick with the 50Ks for now. But I still have 150K, which is basically was up to $3,000. Now it's almost back to 1,000. So I lost about 2K in profits there. So it's a hard grind somehow. I have to work on it. Also, I have to do the same on MyFundedFutures. You're welcome. Yeah, the U.S. courts have and will strike down those clauses in those lawsuits. Well, maybe, but you know that's why they're there. I mean, I'm just saying that as long as you agree that on the simulated account they can do whatever they want, then I don't know what the court can do. You know, retroactively, the court, I don't think they can change anything. The court can maybe do like, okay, from now on, the prop firms, you know, has to do this and blah 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 or whatever. But I don't know. I registered with the Tradeify, but I'm not trading with them yet. I registered, but I have so many funded. I mean, not so many. I have like 10 or 12 funded account, 10 for sure. That I'm working on the current funded accounts. So, do you know if it's the same deal when a prop firm passes your life? Can they also deny? No, no, because if they pass you to a live account, then you are technically opening up an account with a brokerage. So you have to sign up some new paperwork, quote unquote paperwork, sign up online for a brokerage account. So then it's different on a live account. It's different. The live account is different than the simulated funded. New rules, new contract. Everything is new. Yeah, Sorel, I 100% understand what you say. You have to. The burden is on you to defeat that clause. Yeah, 100%. And I'm telling you, I think it's extremely difficult to defeat those clauses. You know, hella expensive. Oh yeah, Singularity. I agree. It will just end up. There's no settlement. Yeah, but yeah, settlement. I mean, yeah. Sorry, I take that back. Yes, usually, yeah. If it goes serious, then usually a settlement. What is happening? Are you guys still here? I'm not sure, but my YouTube is cutting off, and my OBS is also cutting off. I don't know. We are okay. I keep seeing my OBS freezing down, and the YouTube chat is also disappearing. Okay. All right. They choose the broker. Yeah. So if you for example, go with trade await, then I think you have to go with trade await, I think. I'm not sure. I haven't been to a live. ProfiTrade will also come with live accounts, but they need time to finish setting up. Yeah, by the way, I know ProfiTrade is a new prop firm, and I already got some very delightful messages on my email and also on YouTube. Some very, very warm and delightful messages that about ProfiTrade. I think, you know, they have this new flipping rule. You can check out my new video about it. It's actually not a new rule. TopStep also has a flipping rule. MyFundedFutures also has a flipping rule. And more prop firms are going to have a flipping rule. So you can call it flipping rule. You can call it active trading day or real trading day. Or you can call it whatever the hell you want to call it. It's all about, you know, getting rid of the flippers. That's it. So I 100% agree that ProfiTrade has the same quote-unquote flipping rule, active trading day rule, whatever, because big prop firms has it too. All right. Oh, all right, Cedric. Thank you for joining. See you in New York. Yeah. It's not new technically. Yeah. Sorry, Singularity. It's not new, but you know, at the start they weren't really discussing it in details, so I wasn't aware of it. So when I made my first video about ProfiTrade, they were saying that there is a rule, but I clearly remember that when they were launched, they said they still have to come up with the details and the numbers. That's why I didn't talk about it in my first video. But you know, no problem with the flipping rule. Denied for hedging. That's not good. Well, 400 pound request. Yeah, so obviously hedging is something they, not just ProfiTrade, like other prop firms, don't really like on their funded accounts as well. Not good. Not good. I never hedged, to be honest. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. At least with Forex you can hedge. But they do not allow. Oh. On evaluations with ProfiTrade, I did not hedge. I did full ported a few accounts with ProfiTrade with the 90% sale, but I wasn't hedging. They consider any correlated instruments hedging. You can pass an eval in one trade, no issues. Yeah, I did. That's what I did. So yesterday I passed 2 evaluations without hedging on Apex, for example. So I just full ported it. I mean, not even full ported. I went with 5 minis and no hedging. If you have a trade set up, you know, just go for it, and you can do that quickly. NQ long with a RTI short is hedging. You know, Russell and NQ are not strictly correlated. I wouldn't see that as hedging. So if the prop firm would say that is hedging, well, I would have my concerns, and I would start a debate with the prop firm, because I don't see Russell being correlated with NQ. Openly said, the CEO openly said he wanted to bypass the household rule on Maxter account. Owner saw and was not happy. Oh my god. What is the flipping rule? You can't make the bulk of profits on the minis and then scalp. Something like that, Isham, basically. Like, you have an extremely good day or an extremely good trade, And for the rest of the days or weeks, whenever your consistency is going to, you know, average out, you're just gonna trade with micros for a few dollars and flip that account every single day until one day you're just average out your consistency and just take out the profits, basically. That's why TopStep, for example, has the $200 days. So, for example, TopStep is in business since 2012, and they have the flipping rule for many years. It's called $200 days, but it's actually a flipping rule. It's actually a flipping rule. Everybody in the past couple of days, everybody was so pissed off, like, oh man, I hate the flipping rule. I said, dude, TopStep has this since years. What's the problem? Yeah, NQ is garbage. I agree. Right now, it's total garbage. So I'm happy that Dominic talked me into closing down this trade. It would have been a stop loss. At least I made some profits. Gold is correlated. Gold. Oh no, gold is good. Gold is moving. Look at that. I'm thinking to buy a CFD prop firm account to trade gold. Most likely, I might even swing trade it. I'm thinking to buy a CFD account. I just don't know which prop firm yet. But it's not going to be US or EU based. It's not going to be FTMO. It's not going to be anything from United States. So it has to be outside the EU and the US. That's for sure. So the only thing that comes into my mind is fibers. Funding pips. It's outside EU and US. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna look into that. Funding pips. Alright. You guys convinced me. I'm gonna look into funding pips. I'm gonna write it down here. Funding pips. Blue Guardian. Blue Guardian. I'm writing it down. Blue. I heard about them. I just don't want to forget. Blue Guardian. Funding pips. Okay. All right. I'm gonna look into that. But it has to be outside the US and the EU regulations. I don't know Founder Pro. Because it's regulated. That's why. And it's in US and I cannot swing trade. I might want to swing trade. I might want to trade gold on bigger time frames and maybe hold it. That's why I'm thinking also to trade on a Forex prop firm. Not that I like Forex prop firms, but if I swing trade with a smaller position, it can be okay. I got the long of VWAP and 087. I mean, I can trade gold on futures for day trading, but so here it is. Obviously, we can go for that. There are some very good setups on gold. I agree. So, but I think I want to swing trade it. I don't know. VWAP. VWAP. The VWAP. Actually, I don't even have it on. Let me put it here for you guys. The VWAP down here at 20,100-ish area. Funding pips has huge payouts. I'm gonna check that out. Definitely, Oliver. Thank you. Olivier, sorry. Do they have MetaTrader or CTrader or some web-based platform or something? I think they do, right? Look at this. Something is going on with my YouTube. It's the Matrix. Best place for money. Anya, you convinced me. Funding traders is in Switzerland. Actually, that's good. I have no issue with that. Switzerland is good. Nissim, hey there. What's going on? Can I ask? Sure, absolutely, Nissim. You can ask anything. Customer payment for Apex for 2 accounts on. Yeah, one account was rejected, and the second one, until now, I haven't heard anything from. So, how much money you requested? You requested the maximum profit. How was your trading management? I mean, were you okay? 2,000. So were you, for example, going full port? Inconsistent lot sizing, or did you do something crazy, you know, like, you know? You're good. I don't know, man. Got rejected, but why was it rejected? That's interesting. You broke the rules. But what do you think? If they didn't tell you what rules, I'm guessing they didn't really tell you what rules. You were excellent. But what kind of rule you broke? The 30%? Dude. That sucks. Oh, I'm sorry about that, Nissim. I'm really sorry about that. I mean, I was always checking to close down the trades before reaching that 30% level, but still. NKD. I'm gonna check that NKD now. So the set is 80%, and is it 5 days to pass? It's still 1 day pass. It's still 1 day pass wet mill. There's no timer right now. We have no idea for how long. But yesterday I passed 2 evals. Today I activated them. So it's still 1 day pass. $85 lifetime. For a move to the 60s. Yeah, buy the dips until the 60s, 70s. Yeah, we have the new week opening gap up there, and we have 15 minutes, 5/15 minute order block up there. I don't have a trade here. As much as I wanted to go into a trade, I just don't have one. Maybe here I could have had one. Maybe I missed one here, but you know, my previous trade setup was still valid, so that's why I skipped this. But this here was a valid trade. I think now it's going for the 70s. One time. Never do the 1 day gig. Anyway, I usually days the 5-10 days to pass 50. I see. I see. Someone else was. Yeah. Well, I'm waiting for the 1st of November so I can show you. Where is it? Where is my? Here is it. So here's my payouts. I'm still waiting for these two. Still pending. $2,000. I requested the max, and that's it. Requested the 1st of November. Still waiting. Unfortunately, these accounts are blown. So it is what it is. Oh, I sneezed. Well, I'm waiting since the 1st of November. But in August, I was waiting for 2 weeks. I was waiting for 14 days to get approved. I remembered that it was summer, August. I was waiting 14 days for an approval. Or 14 or 15 days in August. I'm better in profits on my life because I don't really have to play by any rules. Yeah, understandable, Vetmild. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. That's how you do it, Vetmild. Yeah, I'm just reading the chat. I don't see anything that I like here so far. I feel like it's gonna stay bullish. That's what I think. You know, if I go to the 5-minute and I look to the left, well, nothing that I like. 15-minute is higher. So yeah, up to the 70s if it continues. But nothing for now. No, they're not gonna run away, Nissim. They're not gonna run away. I'm sure about that. Man, I'm so tired. I'm sorry, I'm so tired, guys. I just don't know if I should even jump into a trade on this level. Taking a long here, I don't like it. Taking a short, what's the time? We still have time from the kill zone. So I'm gonna wait. If it gets to the middle of 30 seconds, I think you go full port. On an evaluation account. Can't do bigger than normal size. Well, I don't think I'm gonna go full port, even on the eval right now. I'm looking for a short, actually. I know it's bullish. I know, but I'm looking at this 100-ish level down there. I'm ready to take one more short. Just one more short. I'm ready. I am ready. But I need this current candle to obviously close lower. And then maybe, you know, just go down. Pretty bullish candle on the daily, so I really like to see some drop. Just take a break and go leave yourself blocking. Yeah, yeah. That's true. Yeah, there are good gaps up there. That's true. That is, I agree. I don't know why I'm so attached to take a short. I don't want to. I really don't want to. I don't want to take a short. What's the level here? 42.50. Uh-oh. Never mind. Repriced it. I thought that this is gonna leave a fair value gap. It didn't. It just didn't. So, still waiting. Just mark the London Open horizon line in your chart. London Open. London Open was there. That's the London Open. Yeah. Yeah, here's the open candle at 3 a.m. So going higher up to the 70s, it seems like. Let me put a fit tool here. Look at that, how beautifully it retraced to the 50% level. Nice continuation up there, right? So if I would have taken along from there, 1 to 2 risk to reward should be at 57, 50-ish area. How about that? If it goes to 57, that would be interesting. If full port, I take some profits here due to the trailing stop and add again if dips back. Yeah, that's good strategy. Sent me. Queen of gaps. Let me check. Oh, I see. Yeah. 5 minutes there. Yeah, we have some gaps. Obviously needs to be repriced sooner or later, I guess. Yeah, this could have been my entry here. There you go. Up to, I would be at almost 2R right now. So I missed it anyway. I missed it. No FOMO here. No FOMO, but you know, let's just analyze this situation here. If I would have been on side with the draw on liquidity here, I could have used this area. So if I put the FIB tool here and look at this, we have a 1 minute fair value gap. This is a classic ICT entry, nothing special. 50% retracement. I almost got hit, but it actually poked into this. No, it's not. It wasn't this. It wasn't this. Sorry. I'm looking at the wrong one. Sorry. This one, the recent one. This. We have the fair value gap here. And look at that. Goes right below the 50% level. Right there. Stop loss here. 1 to 2 risk to reward. Boom. Just hit. This would have been the trade of the day. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, right? So this would have been an extremely good entry, targeting the new week opening gap high. And you know, we had structure shift. Here was a confirmation with structure shift. So there you go. There was the bullish market structure shift. We traded above. Well, that was a little bit risky because we traded above there, but still, market structure shift. This candle, the 341, actually poked into liquidity here to this gap, sent it higher. Beautiful displacement, 50% OTE level, sending it higher, draw on liquidity, new week opening gap high, and boom, just goes. This would have been the trade of the day. I can say that by 100% confidence. That obviously easy to tell it, to be Captain Obvious after the move happened, but this would have been the trade of the day in my understanding, a trade of the session. The previous one wasn't that bad. I was fortunate that Dominic talked me into closing it down here. But this here, this was the real one. This. So whatever happens after this, I'm not interested. Kent, that's the trade you're in? Beautiful. If you entered anywhere down there, it doesn't have to be exactly on that point, but you know, if you're in the trade from there, then obviously, you know, you're doing it great. Model Legacy, hey there. Look at that. It's going to take the new week opening gap. So if any one of you guys are sitting in this trade, I would be taking at least some partials around this area. You can never know if there's going to be a pullback or anything, you know, close to these levels. But this was the trade, this here. This was like a perfect one. Perfect. Couldn't get any better than this. And I missed it. That's a wrap. Out now. All right. And by the way, that's a wrap. I must say that, because whatever happens from here on out, I don't care. Because here was my chance. I didn't take it. Actually, I'm going to leave it there. So I didn't take my chance with this trade. I was watching it, but I was a chicken, as I used to be all the time. But this is it. So I'm super tired. I am sorry guys, but I think I'm gonna call it here, because I'm just not interested in pushing this higher. It's too high to go long and too high to go short, you know, in London session. I'll be back in New York, and you know, stay safe, everybody. Be careful. Election day, markets could be unpredictable. And thank you everybody for supporting. If you would like to support the channel, please consider using my promo codes for these prop firms. Tomsabo code works for every one of these prop firms. Some good sales are still going on. Or use my links. Thanks again. I'll be back in New York session, Stock Exchange Open. Most likely trading some evals. So thank you again for the support and being here. Cheers, everybody. God bless you all. See you in New York. All right. Cheers.